Hi, my name is Gay Smith and I want to make a short video to talk a little bit about Leaf Shine. Leaf Shine it's a product that it's available as a silicone-based shine, which is important because oil-based shines can act as a magnifying glass if the plant gets left in the sun, and it actually will burn the leaves. But silicone-based, there is no leaf burning at all. This is our consumer size can. The cans that you use at the store the new labeling is blue, dark blue, and it's the same formula. And basically Shine is pretty simplistic. Shine is all about looking bright and healthy, and it's okay to shine even foliage like rose foliage that is just looking dusty or has a lot of spray residue from, and a light mist is all you need on a plant. It's as easy. This is a ficus plant. They're a bit shiny to start with, but still this one is looking a little bit dusty. So let's see, let me get these roses out of here. Trade spots there. You literally just give a shine, and you don't need to be too close, you don't need to be too heavy-handed. The aerosol, the propellant, it evaporates and dissipates in the air rather quickly. It's not unpleasant smelling, it's not particularly pleasant, it smells just like a propellant of some kind. But you can see, suddenly, this plant just seems to be much more lustrous and interesting looking than when it's just dusty and sort of normal looking. If you want to go a little bit more, these curly leaves are crazy. It's a little bit tricky to get them all. But yeah, Leaf Shine is just a way to upgrade your plants and make them more interesting. Now, if you want to feed your plants, we also are offering with the orchid drops, which we talked about in the last video. We also have the orchid drops are the pink ones, and the green plant drops are the green ones. This is fertilizer, plant food, and they're easy to use. You just take the drop. The advantage of the drops is that it's a 12-month supply. Each drop makes a quart of plant food. There's a calendar on the back of the package so that the customer can just tick off which months they've actually fertilized plants. And they're very easy to use. You just take one of the drops, green for green plants, pink for the orchids. You give it a cut and pour it into a quart of water, tepid water. It doesn't have to be warm, it doesn't have to be cold, just room temperature. And then take your plants, I like to pour my plant food into a container so that then my plant can just sit in it and soak up. It's important when you're fertilizing plants to really let them soak. Let those salts go all the way through from top to bottom in the layer of soil so that all of the fertilizer salts can leach out. If they don't leach out, what happens is that they will migrate to the tips of the leaves and actually cause leaf burn. This is a good example. So you really want to flush a pot through and let it get completely watered. You also, I would highly recommend you water the plant outside of its deco pot. And you never want to let a plant sit in standing water. Roots are just like human beings. They need air to breathe and to grow, and if it sits in standing water, it will actually drown. So let's see, since this plant is also a little dusty, where's my leaf shine here? Here we go. I think I'll also give it a spray. That way I can feed it and shine it up all in one go. And that's it. Be careful when you use Leaf Shine at the store. The floor can get a bit slippery, so do keep in mind when you shine, you want to do it in an area that's not high traffic. Thank you.